Hey there everybody, Jeannie Henderson here, and today is my very first cold plunge as part of my Cold Plunge challenge, raising funds for Cleaning for a Reason. So when I started out, I had raised $2,000 to that point, but I really want to raise $10,000 before March 1st next year. So over this last week, we've raised over $1,500, which now brings me to my first cold plunge and halfway to my next one. So you can help out by donating to my cause. I'll put the link here in my post. So I'm here at UTAN in Portage. Scott and his team here have agreed to help me out with my cold plunge challenge. So I decided to do what they recommended, which is called the fire and ice. So I'll be in a sauna for about 20 to 30 minutes before my plunge. Here's this beautiful sauna right here. And then I'll be going into this cold plunge tub right here behind me. So I'm a little bit nervous and very excited. And I'll share with you some of my research here, but I'm gonna jump in the sauna and share with you a little bit about what I've learned. So here's a kind of a tour of the sauna that I'm in right now. It's all set up to do hot yoga. There's a hot yoga mat and towel in here, but the really cool thing is it's also at the same time red light therapy, which is supposed to be awesome for your skin. So I can't wait to see the results after I do 10 of these, and you guys can help me out by donating to my cause. And there's my tub waiting for me. Hey there, I just finished my time in infrared sauna. It was great. Got some yoga done and some stretching, and now I'm gonna do my very first plunge. I have to admit, I'm kind of nervous, a little bit scared, but also excited. And I'm glad that you're here with me. And I want to thank all of you who gave and who keep giving. So I hope this inspires those of you who haven't supported Cleaning for a Reason yet to join us in supporting this amazing cause. But here I go, time for my cold plunge. Woo, that is really, really cold. So I'm just going in and just getting it over with. Oh my gosh. Wow. Holy cow. That is so cold. All right, I'm timing myself. Let's see. It is 12:23. So I'm gonna watch my clock here. They suggest that we do this for up to 3 minutes on your first time. I'm not going to do a full submersion, although that's suggested. Whew. Oh my God. Oh, okay, I gotta just relax. Whew. There's instructions on the wall here and it says remember to breathe. So I'm gonna remember to breathe. Okay, but good thing my watch said my exercise ring has completed. I just finished a minute. So my big hope is, so the cold plunge is really supposed to help your body heal. You know, we're constantly doing things that hurt our body all day long. So the combination of the sauna and the cold helps the body heal. Just like how we put heat or ice on an injury, this helps the whole body heal. So I've been having some back issues lately in my low back, so I'm getting my low back in the water. Wow, it's pretty intense, you guys. It's kind of like, it almost feels like it's burning, but it's cold. Okay, that was almost 2 minutes. So I'm gonna stay in for a little bit longer. I don't want to push it too far. I am glad that I did the sauna first. I read up a lot about this, that doing the sauna first is a good idea, and Scott, the owner here at UTAN, highly recommended it. So did Reagan, who's working here today. So, wow, I can just feel my body healing right now. But I have to say, you know, I've always kind of wanted to do this, so I appreciate those of you who gave, because it forced me to do something that I was really afraid of. And I think that, you know, we only make progress in the world when we kind of step into fear, and this was something I was definitely afraid of. So I'm so glad that I'm doing it. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get it out. That was almost 3 minutes. Oh my Lord. Very, very cold. Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel like an ice cube. Oh, like the princess in Frozen. Wow. Well, thank you everybody. Thank you for being on this journey with me. And if you haven't given yet, click the link here in this post and join us on this journey to help more cancer patients while they're going through treatment. It's one of the most difficult challenges that people will ever face in their life. This is just something tiny that I'm doing, but I can only imagine how it must feel, you know, when you're going through chemo and radiation and you don't even have the energy to get out of bed, and then yet to not be able to do the things you normally do. And to have a clean home is one of the most calming and peaceful experiences. I actually just had a child tell me yesterday, as I asked them, why is cleaning important? And she said, to create a calm environment in your home. And I thought, from the mouths of babes. And we as individuals and as Jeannie Cleaning have the opportunity to give that gift to cancer patients in their time of need. So I hope you'll join me and join us on this journey. Thank you everyone. We'll see you on the next plunge.